Hey guys, today we're gonna play some, don't press the button with my brother, Goated Bacon.
Wait, don't.
I'm gonna join him
Don't.
right now.
No, wait.
Why?
I'll join you.
I'll join you. Bro,
I left.
oh, you left? Okay, I'm gonna join. Yeah, join me actually.
Go to another server.
No, join me. Fine. I'll join you.
No. You go to what server?
Bruh. Bro, you're making more confusion.
Whatever.
So, oh my god. I just died. Okay, so my brother's really good at this game.
Bro, look. Wait, I'm behind you. Look.
Bro, the only dude, why you shoot me? But the only thing I have here in this game is this. Look, where are you?
I'm right here. Look, I'm just right here.
Yo, the only thing I have is this
No,
gun. You know what I'm gonna do with you this gun?
Try to escape. No, try to escape from it. You can't escape, huh?
Dude, where you stop?
It's stuck.
Dude, I'll shoot you.
Reach the end. Very easy, bro.
You made my whole game glitch. Okay. Ah,
It's
yeah.
not glitch.
You made it glitch for 3 seconds because of that portal thing. Bro, you literally just play this game like every day, okay?
No, only for 6 days.
Yeah, but you played it from 2 a.m., but whatever. So basically, like, bro, I can't even, yo, I wish there's something that 2 people can go on.
No, I just broke stuff, bro.
Oh my god, you beat it?
Already.
Of course you beat it. You literally have like the carpet thingy, one of the best.
No, try kill you?
No.
Fine, try kill other people?
Oh, go to the side, otherwise you'll die. Yo, don't kill other people, bro.
Bro.
Yo, are you even there?
No, I died.
How did you die? You really have a...
No, because I was looking.
Oh, it's only us 3. Matt.
Oh, now more people are stuck. 3 people are stuck. What
Bro.
time I made the whole server stuck in the circle?
It's easy. You'll beat it.
That's why I killed someone. I killed like Jack.
I won't. I didn't kill you. Bro, stay close to the light.
Yo, look, I can kill everyone.
Dude, what are you doing? Oh my god.
Oh wait, stay close to the light, bro.
I literally died. I think you go here when you die. Oh, I can see the
I'm the only one that was alive. You know why?
5
Because
coins.
it pulled everyone. The gravity circle.
Oh,
Go on.
what color is it? Is it red? Literally just one because it's slow.
Yeah.
Literally just...
What's wrong with that?
Wait, what color is it? What the... I don't know where the color... No, it's fine. Yeah, but I don't know. Yeah, nice. Ooh. Oh, it's this one, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Someone's stuck.
Damn, I can't even... Bro! Oh my god, I just died. Bro. Yeah, bro.
You fell, bro?
Dude, what are you doing?
What?
Bro, I just got trapped.
Yeah, see, it's that old, bro.
Yeah, no. Join the group?
To claim you can claim a
Oh, I got 100 coins.
knock
Click
knock.
the door.
Who's there? That door!
Oh look, look, I'm
Knock, knock.
Who's there? The door!
I'm gonna kill some people.
Dude,
Oh, I killed you. I was
yeah, whatever. Bro, you literally just made it like. What?
Okay, let's go. I got a red door.
Red door? Wait. Guide me.
It's a red door.
No, like, oh, Jack? Okay. Come on. No, it's not that. You go first, bro.
No, I already did the first one.
I think it's this. No.
No, it's this.
Wait. Red, and then, oh my. Deliver the pizza. Mine is 73. Where is pizza?
Oh, mine's at 97. Yo, look, I'm gonna kill some people and then.
Let's go. Wait, the 73. Yo, 73.
I'm gonna kill some people so then they won't get to deliver the pizza.
You can. When you're here, you go down.
No, I can go inside the map.
Oh, because if you go high enough, there's this gap. And then you can go down from it. I got it.
Oh, yeah, wait, lag.
Lag. Man, they make like such good maps just for one challenge. Most amount of
I'm
time.
not gonna do this quick challenge. And, oh.
Dude, I need some. Yeah, what the?
Everyone is stuck.
Oh, 100 click. Oh, he has to be on mouse. Easy.
Reach the top.
Easy. Oh, bro, what are you doing? Stop clapping. Bro, stop trying to trap me. Let's go, I won. I got 10 coins.
Or whatever.
Damn, bro. I need to reach the other side. Bro, why am I crouching?
Really? Not that hard.
It's really easy.
I'm gonna kill some other people.
You're in.
Bro, isn't this the wrong? Oh.
I beat it.
I'm gonna kill other people. I'm not gonna kill you, bro. Wait, really? Yes, I killed Jack.
Kill the people that are there.
Okay, I killed the Sophie, I do.
Okay. Oh, 5 coins. Acid is oh my.
Bro, I'm gonna,
And I have a noob avatar. Wait, let me reset. Okay,
yeah, it's a glitch.
Did it ever happen to you?
Yeah, it happens to me.
Yeah, I don't know. I keep getting this
No,
noob
it
avatar
happens
every
in
time.
Bloxers also.
Yeah, every time I
It happens in Bloxers.
every time I try to like
It happens like in almost every block.
no, it happens to every game when you die and then you respawn. It just shows that.
Yeah, but not all the time, but sometimes. Which is crazy.
Vacation. Can't even sit in people on vacation?
It's not really a vacation. You're just sitting around.
Yeah, that's basically.
But vacation, you when in your house,
Yeah,
you
but-
always sit around. What's the point?
Nah, it's like somewhere else, probably in a beach or something.
No. Island.
Are you lucky or unlucky? I'm unlucky.
Yeah, because the bomb just came.
What? Oh my! You're gonna win this.
Wow, why? I just have to kill everybody?
No, doesn't do anything,
No, because you just didn't come back and...
dude. These are easy. This is easy. I can just look at the top and see which one.
Don't come close to the Udro, because I'm going to put a...
This is easy. Look, I'll just go in the middle. Yeah, now it's that. Oh, this is easy. Yeah.
Wait, run. The button is a bomb. I know this one. See? It exploded.
Oh, let's see if I can buy. I can buy flex your money. A serious
Lecture money, it's just a waste of time. It's just
fire the most amount of. Oh, how do I get fireworks in the first?
find them. Okay, I got one firework.
Oh my. I got. What the hell happened? Somebody just took my firework. Shit. One. Dude, I got 0 so far.
Lag glitch with 2 fireworks.
Oh my god!
3 fireworks.
Dude, I can't even find any fireworks.
This laggy glitch.
My thing ain't lagging, but I can't find. Nah, that banana boy. Oh, that Lily girl got it. Man,
4 fireworks. I'm probably gonna win this.
you're gonna win this.
4 fireworks. How much did that really girl have?
Like 1 only.
Oh.
Nah, someone has 3. Oh my god.
5 fireworks.
Where are the fireworks? I can't even. This is hard as finding Mirage. Everybody finds it, but I can't.
Well, see, I won with 5 fireworks.
Let's go. 5, 10.
Oh, I got 20 coins. Stay away from... Yo, I'm the pumpkin monster.
You?
Why am I slow?
Oh, I can just do this. I can just do this.
Why am I slow, bro? The pumpkin monsters?
Bane.
Okay, I killed someone.
Let there be light.
Bro, why am I slow?
Oh, there's a new thing. There's this. Stop anyone from using shop gears near you when
No, it's not new.
Then what?
It's just...
Do you have it?
No. It's 18,000.
Are you grinding it for it?
No.
Why?
I don't even want it, bro.
Pretty useful. Shoot other
Just
players.
stop for a period of time and then whatever.
Dude, I can't even, bro. Bro, pumpkin monster. I think this boy.
Look, I'm the pumpkin monster, man.
Where are you?
Look at my screen.
You're
Bro, the pumpkin monster is supposed to be fast. Every time someone else is a pumpkin monster, they're literally so fast. Why is my character slow?
Oh, that's where you spawn if you die.
I mean, you spawn literally at the sky.
Ah, I see another person. Okay, now
Yeah, I died.
now
Cause it's
how do you die?
Cause when the daytime comes, my health is draining.
Oh, I want.
Who's tsunami? Yo, wait, I'm
You
gonna
mean
kill
a
someone.
tsunami, not a tsunami.
Okay, I killed someone.
What are you trying to do?
Kill. So I'm the only one, but I won't kill them.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Where are you?
Yo, I died. I died. Did you win? You heard carp? Bruh, this us and the hustle uses the chosen one. Enter the castle. It's easy. Bro, if this is the goal and I win it. Oh no. Bro, Yo, no. How do I? No. I'll just go like really slow, really slow. Dude, I'm so close. What the? Don't fall off and oh, okay.
Sorry, but since I need to get everyone killed, you might be able to because this is actually easy.
I go to the very edge. Oh yeah. Oh my. What the? I just died. I think he killed everybody.
No. You just go to the end.
Yo, what treasure? Yo, bro, I'm currently using my brother's account. What the? He's OP. Whatever, I don't care. Find the exit of the maze. Let's see it. Bro, I'm gonna use my brother's account to cheat. Bro, I'm gonna use his account to cheat. Where is the exit? To use my brother's account to cheat, but I can't. Oh no, he has a sword. Well, I'ma leave. I'm gonna wrap it up. Bye, guys.